Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this enlightening video, we delve into the intriguing topic of whether someone special is thinking about you and explore the 5 key signs that can reveal this connection. Understanding these signs is essential as they often manifest through nonverbal communication, which plays a crucial role in our relationships. By recognizing these subtle cues, we can gain deeper insights into our connections with others and enhance our emotional bonds. Join Robert Zen, a renowned miracle mentor and alchemy success coach, as he guides us through this uplifting discussion. Robert's expertise will help illuminate the often overlooked signals that indicate someone may be holding you in their thoughts. This exploration not only fosters a greater awareness of our interactions, but also encourages us to reflect on our own feelings and intentions. As we embark on this journey together, prepare to uncover the signs that can affirm your intuition and strengthen your relationships. Whether you're seeking clarity in a romantic connection or simply curious about the dynamics of thought and emotion, this video promises to be both insightful and inspiring. The first sign that someone may be thinking about you is the experience of sudden and unexplained emotional shifts. These unexpected changes in your emotional state can serve as powerful indicators that someone is bombarding your thoughts from afar. For instance, you might find yourself feeling an overwhelming sense of joy or an inexplicable wave of anxiety without a clear reason. These feelings can arise out of the blue, often leaving you puzzled about their origin. Such emotional fluctuations can be linked to the thoughts and feelings of the person you have in mind, suggesting a deeper connection between your emotional experiences and their mental presence in your life. When someone is thinking about you, their energy can resonate with your own, causing you to feel their emotions as if they were your own. This phenomenon highlights the intricate bond we share with others, where our emotional states can intertwine, reflecting the thoughts and feelings of those we care about. By paying attention to these shifts, you can gain valuable insights into your relationships and the unspoken connections that exist between you and others. The second sign that someone may be thinking about you is when they unexpectedly come to mind. These random thoughts can serve as a powerful indicator that their thoughts are directed toward you, often surfacing without any apparent reason. You might be going about your day when suddenly a memory or image of this person pops into your head, prompting you to wonder why they have entered your thoughts. It's essential to pay attention to these moments, as they can be potential signs of a deeper connection between you and the individual in question. Such spontaneous thoughts may not just be coincidences. They can signify a form of telepathic communication, where your subconscious mind picks up on the energy or emotions of the other person. This phenomenon suggests that our minds can connect in ways that transcend physical distance, allowing us to feel each other's presence even when apart. By recognizing and acknowledging these instances, you can gain a greater understanding of your relationships and the unseen bonds that tie you to those you care about, enriching your emotional experiences and connections. The third sign that someone may be thinking about you is the frequent appearance of that person in your dreams. This phenomenon highlights the concept of soul-to-soul communication, where our subconscious minds connect during sleep, allowing us to share thoughts and emotions beyond the waking world. When someone consistently shows up in your dreams, it often signifies a strong connection and mutual thoughts between you and that individual. These recurring dreams can be a reflection of your emotional bond, suggesting that both of you are energetically linked, even if you are physically apart. It's essential to pay attention to these dream encounters, as they can provide valuable insights into your feelings and the dynamics of your relationship. I encourage you to reflect on your own dreams and consider the people who frequently appear in them. What emotions do these dreams evoke? Are there unresolved feelings or messages that need to be addressed? By exploring these dream experiences, you can deepen your understanding of your connections and perhaps even uncover hidden aspects of your relationships that deserve your attention. The fourth sign that someone may be thinking about you is the sensation of feeling a presence or the uncanny feeling of being watched. This experience can often be linked to the thoughts of someone who is directing their attention toward you, creating an energetic connection that transcends physical boundaries. When you sense that someone is observing you, it may be a reflection of their thoughts and feelings reaching out to you. Accompanying this feeling, you might experience physical sensations such as goosebumps, a tingling on the back of your neck, or an inexplicable warmth that envelops you. These sensations can serve as powerful indicators that someone is energetically focused on you, even if they are not physically present. It's important to trust your instincts when you sense another's presence. Your intuition often picks up on subtle cues that your conscious mind may overlook. By acknowledging these feelings, you can deepen your awareness of the connections you share with others and recognize the invisible threads that bind you to those who care about you. Embracing these sensations can enhance your understanding of interpersonal dynamics and enrich your emotional experiences. The fifth sign that someone may be thinking about you is the frequent appearance of signs related to that person, such as their name, favorite things, or specific symbols. When you start noticing these elements in your daily life, it can indicate that their thoughts are with you, creating a meaningful connection that transcends ordinary interactions. For instance, you might see their name pop up unexpectedly, encounter their favorite song on the radio, or come across a symbol that resonates with your shared experiences. These occurrences can serve as gentle reminders of their presence in your life. I encourage you to pay attention to these patterns and signs, as they may hold deeper significance than mere coincidence. The universe often communicates with us in subtle ways, and recognizing these signs can enhance your awareness of the interconnectedness of all things. By acknowledging these moments, you can cultivate a greater appreciation for the relationships in your life and the unseen forces that bind us together. Embracing these signs can lead to a richer understanding of your connections and the profound ways in which we influence one another. In this video, we explored 5 key signs that indicate someone may be thinking about you, each carrying its own significance in understanding our connections with others. First, we discussed how sudden emotional shifts can signal that someone is bombarding your thoughts. Next, we highlighted the importance of those random moments when someone unexpectedly comes to mind, suggesting a deeper connection. We then examined the frequent appearance of that person in your dreams, which can indicate soul-to-soul communication. The fourth sign involved the sensation of feeling watched, linking to the thoughts of someone focused on you. Finally, we talked about the frequent appearance of signs related to the person, such as their name or symbols, which can indicate their presence in your life. I encourage you to share your own experiences and thoughts in the comments section below. Your insights can enrich our community's understanding of these connections. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe, like the video, and explore more of our material related to telepathic connections. Together, we can deepen our awareness of the invisible threads that bind us to those we care about.